Hey guys, welcome to No Need Garage
Nope.
Hey guys, welcome.
Eh. It was at this moment I realized this video is going to be a voiceover. Hi, my name is Asiel, and I'm a founder of a non-profit company, No Need Garage. Our mission is simple. No family should ever have to decide between putting food on the table and having safe, reliable transportation. So we simply help low-income families in need by providing affordable car care. So whether things are going good
Yeah, baby.
or bad, or just straight up weird, either way, you don't need to go into your own pockets in order to help me help other people. I just need 5 seconds of your time by simply liking and subscribing. Although 100% tax deductible donations are always welcome. So join me to make this movement grow until there's no need among us.